Hey everyone! Get ready for a dish that's bursting with color, flavor, and pure joy. Today, we're whipping up the ultimate Cowboy Caviar, a fresh and vibrant dip that's perfect for any occasion. It's super easy to make, incredibly versatile, and guaranteed to be a crowd pleaser. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out, you'll love this recipe. First up, our stars. 1 can of black beans rinsed and drained, and 1 can of black-eyed peas, also rinsed and drained. We'll also need 2 ripe Roma tomatoes, diced, and 1 crisp bell pepper. Any color works, diced small. Don't forget half a red onion, finely diced, and a handful of fresh cilantro chopped. For a little kick, a jalapeno seeded and minced is optional but highly recommended. Now for the magic dressing. In a small bowl, whisk together a 1/4 cup of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of lime juice. Add a teaspoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of cumin, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Whisk it all until it's beautifully combined and ready to mingle with our veggies. In a large bowl, gently combine all your prepared ingredients: the beans, peas, tomatoes, bell pepper, red onion, cilantro, and jalapeno. Pour that amazing dressing right over everything. Give it a good, gentle stir to ensure every single piece is coated in that delicious, zesty dressing. Let it chill in the fridge for at least 30 minutes for the flavors to really meld. Serve your incredible Cowboy Caviar with tortilla chips, as a side dish, or even as a topping for tacos or grilled chicken. It's fantastic for picnics, potlucks, or just a healthy snack. You're going to absolutely adore this recipe. It's fresh, flavorful, and so much fun to eat. Enjoy every single bite.